What's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial we're going to change some options for create and guides. So under edit menu you can find preferences, and we have these guides and create that you can change options for this, or you can hold Ctrl K to open the preferences, and here we have these guides and create. So first we're going to change the color here for these guides and also a style. So I'm going to change that to something like this magenta, and we're going to change the style from dots to lines. So I'm going to hit OK. So where you can find these guides, you have to make your shape. So I want to convert this into guide. So I'm going to get my selection tool, right click, and here we have this make guides. So once you click at the make guides, as you can see, it changed to these guides, and you can find options for the guides under this view menu. So if you click on the top, so we have this, let me find, we have this guides over here. So we can hide guides, we can lock guides, we can release, or if you select any other shape right here, so you can click on make guides as well. So you can click on clear guides as well. So if you want to change the color and if you want to change the style, so under preferences with guides and grid, we have this drop down menu which you can change the color. I'm going to change that to light red, and also with a style you can change that from this line to dots. So as you can see, it's changed from this line to dots. So under guides and grid we have the option for grid as well. So I'm going to click on the color first, so I can see all this drop down menu list which is available here. So I'm going to change that to magenta, and also you can change the style from lines to dots. So I'm not going to change that from lines to dots for now, and hit OK. So now you have to go to this view menu, and here we have this show grid. So as you can see, we have this grid right here. So the color is now magenta, and we have some more options that you can change for this grid. So you can change the style, and also we have this grid line every 40 pixel. So you can add that something like, you can go with 20 pixel grid, and also we have this subdivisions. So we have 10, and if I want to change that to something like 20 and hit OK. So now I'm going to hold Ctrl plus to zoom in so I can show you the subdivisions that here we have. So here we have 1, we have this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have subdivisions of 20 here, 20. So that's why it's going to show you from the top. If you count, let me make it something like 5, so we can easily count it right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how you can add the subdivisions here for your grid. So we have grids in black. So what's grids in black? If you uncheck this and hit OK, and if I want to add any shape right here, so we have this black shape. Let me decrease the stroke and I'm going to show you. So with the black, as you can see, this grid lines is going to show me. But if I don't want to see any grid line with this black shape. So under guide and create, here I need to check this grades in black and hit OK. So now I can see if I move this anywhere with my grid, so I can see the background grid here with my shape which is black. And also show pixel grid above 60/100 zoom. If you uncheck this and OK, so above 600 we're going to try something like 2400%. So as you can see, no pixel is going to show me right here. Why? Because you have to click on this view. So we have this pixel preview, so you have to turn on this pixel preview. As you can see, still I can see any pixel with my shape, so I have to check this show pixel grid above 60 and hit OK. So now as you can see, here we have this pixel, but make sure you have to check this pixel preview before you're going to turn on this option, which is show pixel grid above 600 zoom. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to change some options which is available under preferences for this guides and create with Illustrator. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys in the next video.